Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at something really cool for anyone who loves music and building things. The Tupelo Tenor 3-string electric box guitar kit from CB Giddy. This isn't just a kit, it's an opportunity to build your very own acoustic electric 3-string box guitar. And from what's described, it sounds like a fantastic project. One of the biggest draws here is how easy it is to assemble. The information says only basic tools are required, which is great news for beginners or those who don't have a full workshop setup. It makes the idea of building a guitar feel much more accessible. Imagine the satisfaction of putting together your own instrument and then being able to play it. The kit is designed to create a 23-inch scale tenor guitar, which is typically tuned to open G or G to G. This tuning is classic for 3-string box guitars and is very intuitive for playing blues, folk, and other roots music styles. The fact that it's acoustic electric means you get that raw, resonant acoustic tone from the box body, but you also have the option to plug it in and amplify it, which adds a whole new dimension for playing live or recording. The description specifically mentions a great acoustic tone, which is promising for a box guitar. A clever feature mentioned is the top panel, which flips to accommodate both left and right-handed players. This is a thoughtful design choice that ensures the kit is versatile and welcoming to everyone, regardless of their dominant hand. It's details like this that make a kit stand out. Looking at the materials, the body and top are made from engineered wood, the back is plywood, and the neck and fretboard are poplar. These materials are likely chosen for their stability, ease of workability, and contribution to the instrument's sound and durability, especially within the context of a kit designed for easy assembly. Poplar is a common choice for necks in many instruments due to its strength and stability. Perhaps the most exciting aspect for many builders is the promise that this kit is infinitely customizable. A kit provides a blank canvas. Once the basic structure is together, one can paint it, stain it, add decorative elements, change hardware, or even modify the electronics down the line. This allows each builder to truly make the instrument their own, reflecting their personal style and creativity. It's not just about building a guitar, it's about creating a unique piece of musical art. Overall, the Tupelo Tenor kit seems like an excellent entry point into the world of building and playing box guitars. It offers an easy build process, a versatile instrument with both acoustic and electric capabilities, a classic tuning, and endless possibilities for personalization. It sounds like a rewarding project that results in a genuinely playable and great-sounding instrument.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.